Hey, welcome back to Type 5 Reviews. My wife and I have been using the Loom Leaf King Size Relaxed Firm Mattress since we got married about 7 years ago. And as you can see, this one's in a little bit worse for wear type of condition. So let me walk you through some of the things that I think about this mattress and why we decided to actually go with the same one here for our new mattress. Now, after using this one for 7 years, you can see that I've actually cut the top off of this mattress. I'll tell you why for a second, but I wanted to show you a little bit of how this one was constructed. They have some firmer layers of foam on the bottom and then some top layers of really nice memory foam. And in the middle here, we have an extra layer for additional support. You can see how it's kind of arched in the middle where your main weight of your body would be. And actually underneath the top pillow top layer is a layer of what they call their cooling gel that matches about the width of that raised spot. Now, the reason why I have the top cut off here is because about 6 years into owning this mattress, the top was starting to get a little bit bunched up, and that cooling pad that was underneath the middle was really starting to get bunched up where I would sleep here on the left side, so much so that it was just starting to annoy me. And so one day when my wife was gone, I went around and actually took the top off so I could remove that pad, and we replaced it with just a really nice kind of foam topper. And that's done us well for about the past year or so, but I wanted to actually replace our mattress so I didn't have to deal with that foam topper anymore. And in looking into Loom Leaf's extended warranty, they actually have a really nice warranty plan. And so sometimes when you call the companies up, they try to hassle you into, seeing if you qualify or whatever. But with Satva, the parent company of Loom Leaf here, I gave them a call. I didn't wait on hold for all that long. And I told them my name. They were able to look up that I did, in fact, purchase this mattress about 7 years ago. And so I qualified to be able to get a replacement mattress at 60% of the cost that I originally purchased the mattress for, which was a really good price. So I went ahead and ordered that mattress, and that's coming in today. And the reason for that really is because after all of these years, my wife and I really love this mattress. Anytime we go on a trip, we always come home and we're just so glad to be sleeping back in our own bed. It is extremely soft to the touch, but firm enough that it is supportive. And, like I said, any other time we've gone on a trip or we've come back, we can't wait to go and sleep back in our bed. So the new one should be arriving here in a couple minutes. I'll go ahead and get that one set up, walk around it for a little bit, and then give you some final thoughts. All right, so the mattress just got delivered, and this is what it's supposed to look like with that top cover on. One thing that's nice about this mattress in particular is even though it's memory foam, it doesn't come rolled up. You don't have to wait for it to air out or possibly gas off. In that delivery fee, you get white glove service, so they will take your old mattress away. They'll bring in and place your new mattress in your bed or wherever you'd like for it to go. So that is a nice touch. These mattresses are kind of heavy, so to have some movers bring it in and set it up is a nice side benefit. Now, if you can see here with this top cover on, there is no significant arching in the middle. The built-in mattress topper does kind of account for the padding differences of those layers underneath. And I do want to mention that any mattress over time is going to break in a little bit. This is their relaxed firm model. So when you first get a mattress like this, it does start off a little bit firmer. Over time, it will soften up, but you know, over a significant amount of time, any mattress foam or any memory foam mattress will start to sag a little bit. So my side of the bed was starting to wear down or sag a little bit after 7 years of use, whereas my wife's side was holding up pretty good. So that's going to be pretty much it for this mattress. I'll leave a link in the description below to the website if you want to check this brand out for yourself. But like I said, this is my wife and I's favorite mattress. I really can't recommend any others. So hopefully I'll get another 7 years out of this one. So if you found this review helpful, feel free to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews in the future. But that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully I'll see you all on the next one.